Hello everyone, my name is Shubh Sharma and I welcome you all to this pre-market report. So today is the last session of the week. Today is Friday. Let's start with US market. Yesterday US market closed very flat. It closed at 71 points positive. Nasdaq closed at 137 points positive and S&P 500 closed at record high of 20 points positive. At the time of recording, the US 30 is trading at flat to negative around 9 to 10 points negative. Now let's talk about FII and DII data. Yesterday FII sold about 3000 plus crores and DII bought around 6000 plus crores. Now, at the time of recording, the SGX Nifty showing a gap up opening of 50 to 70 points. So that's a positive start for the day. Now, let's talk about Nifty and Bank Nifty. Yesterday, Nifty fell about 255 points and it closed below 24,600 and it settled at 24,500. Now, that's a very negative closing for the market. Definitely, FII and tariff was impacting the market and bringing the market down. Now, next support for Nifty is at 500. Major support is at 24,500 and the major support is at 24,400 to 24,450. Below 24,450, we can even touch to last swing low. Below 24,450, it will be a very disappointed and the market sentiment will totally change. Now the resistance is at 24,600 and ultimately 24,800. Now yesterday also I exited from all my longs and I'm sitting neutral. I have no positions whatsoever. I want to watch the market because the market is at very important support. It is at 24,500. Now below 24,500 or below 24,450, it will be very bad for the market in short term to medium term. Now let's talk about Bank Nifty. Yesterday Bank Nifty closed at 53,820. It was a more than 600 points loss. Support is at 53,700 and ultimately at 53,500. Resistance is at 54,000 and ultimately 54,200. Now few important domestic news. Today the India's GDP is about to come and it is expected at 6.5 to 6.3%. If it comes below 6%, then the whole market mood will change. Now, another important news is Reliance AGM meet is there today at 2 p.m. So Reliance stock should be in your radar. Now, if I talk about sector specific, there was profit booking across the sector. Look at auto, look at FMCG, look at IT. Even IT fell by 500 points. FMCG fell by 500 points. All these stocks were falling. All these sectors were falling. So yes, after a 2,500 points run up, 5 to 600 points of profit booking is considered to be very healthy. Now, today the rupee is up by 6 paisa against US dollar. So very positive. Crude oil is down. Gold prices is down. So looking at some pullback I am expecting, but till we are not about 24,800, I will say it's a sell on rise market for me. Yes, the market sentiment is changed. The technical is showing negative sentiment in the market, negative trade in the market. So I will stick with the trend. It's a sell on rise market about 24,800 to 25,000. Then only I will say I'm a buyer in this market. Yes, pullback is possible, but in that pullback you don't have to buy. You have to look for exiting your longs and enter into shorts. So this is it for today's pre-market video. I have given you the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels. Watch those levels, mark those levels on your charts and trade accordingly. I'll see you in the next pre-market video. Thank you, and trade accordingly with stop loss. I'll see you next video. Thank you.